Hey guys, we are back for another unboxing. Today I came home to my summer FabFitFun box, that is a mouthful, in the mail. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox this for you so I still have time this month to kind of use some of the products and let you know how that goes. This is my first ever FabFitFun box. Excuse me. It is a seasonal subscription box. It is normally $49.99 and they charge you 4 times a year. You can also buy it in bulk, but it's supposed to be like the ultimate subscription box with the best values and the best products. We will see. This is my first one. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue with this or not, so let's get into this box and I'll give you my final thoughts when we're finished. So upon opening this box, the first thing that I see is the FabFitFun magazine. This thing is huge. I mean, I feel like it's unnecessarily so. There's lots of paper in here and just there's lots of information, but I feel like the size of this, it's unnecessary. So the first 2 pages are what we're all really interested in. The prices of the products and a little tidbit about each of the products. So we're going to get right in. The first thing on top is a reusable straw, actually. It's nowhere in the pamphlet, so I think it's just something that was tossed in. It is in a paper like a disposable straw, but it says this straw saves marine life, visit giveusasip.us. So upon looking at that website, I realized it's very hard. So it is a reusable straw, not a disposable. So that's great. I mean, we all have those cups that we need straws for, and I love straws, so that's great. Moving on. The next thing I find in here, we're just going to start on one side and work to the next, is the Pier 1 Imports Marble Ring Dish. This isn't something that I really use. I'm not a big knick-knack person. I'm not a big clutter person. So, and this isn't even, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it's cute. I mean, I have no idea what it looks like, a little plate, but it's not even smooth. Like, they didn't even get the glaze on here right. So, not really sure. It's pretty. We'll see how long it sticks around my house. Moving on, this is something that I'm pretty excited about. Who doesn't like Tarte? This is the Pro Glow palette, and I was really going to buy this myself, but now I don't have to. It does have that soft touch packaging though, which means that the powder products in here are going to end up smudged all over the outside. So Tarte, get it together. This looks nice, but it's impractical. Let's go ahead and open it up. It is magnetic closure, which is awesome. Sorry, I'm looking down here. I'm still getting used to this new camera setup. So we have double mirrors on the side, which is great. This does have a sheet of plastic over it. I'm trying not to blind y'all. So it looks like, oh my god, it smells like chocolate. I love chocolate. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 powder shades and 1 cream contour shade. It looks a little bit warm in the cream contour shade. We're going to try this out. I'm not even going to swatch it for you right now because I just let my dogs in, so my hands probably aren't the cleanest to put in here. But I'm definitely going to be using this, and I will update you guys. It's going right here on the table for use tomorrow. The next thing that I am super excited, I've been waiting because I wanted one of these and I haven't bought one yet because I saw it was in this box, is the Foreo Luna Fofo. And I got blue. So there's an app that goes with this, and it's supposed to be intelligent, can tell you kind of the age of your skin, the moisture levels, things like that. And it vibrates so that, I don't know how it charges, y'all. I'm going to have to look into this, but it vibrates to help get that deep clean. And as y'all know, in one of my other subscription boxes, in the Slut Box by Amber Rose, we just got a new facial cleanser. So we might have to like pair these two together and see how they work. So pretty excited about that. And I did take some of these packages out of the plastic when I got it because The plastic is loud, y'all, and my camera picks it up like something fierce. So we got this Summer and Rose Make Your Own Sunshine Humongous Beach Towel. This is the softest thing I have felt in like my whole life. So I'm pretty excited about this. It has the pineapples on it, I believe. Yeah, because the other one has like beach palm fronds or something, and it doesn't have the bright yellow. So it's hard to open. Oh, okay. That's out of the way. It smells funny, so we're gonna have to be washing this before we use it. There it is, kind of unrolled a little bit. This thing is huge, and I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna set this over here so I can wash it. The next thing I'm honestly confused about is this guy right here. It's the Maji Sports Loop Resistance Band. I mean, I don't understand. I never really understood resistance bands. I had to use them in physical therapy after my accident, and I'm telling you, they were nothing but pain for me, and so this just might end up being tossed like that. But thanks for sending it to me anyway. Alright, moving on, we have 3 other products in here. There isn't as much as I thought there was in this box. The prices are good. The beach towel is supposedly $55. The Pro Glow palette is $45. I know that's a fact because I was looking at it in Sephora. That giant rubber band that I just tossed was $15. What else do we got? That Pier One thing, they said it was $15. I don't know. Honestly, guys, I feel like you could find that at like the thrift store for 50 cents or something. Some people like it, some people use it. I'm probably not going to get any use out of it. No shade, no shame. It just is what it is. It's not for everybody. You can't please them all, and that's okay. Moving along, we got Jabonera Marianella. Oh my lord, I can't talk. I don't know what this is. Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar, and this is supposed to be $48. Now, I did kind of crack this open a minute ago and smell it. Y'all know I'm a sniffer. I don't know why. It smells like something in my grandma's kitchen, but I don't know what. That's what it reminds me of, her being in the kitchen and cooking, so I'm not really sure what that is. I'm anxious to try this out because I do really love some shower body products that make you feel all soft and cozy. Moving right along, we have Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. This is a heat protectant. I really wish my camera would focus on this. Let's see. Nope, not gonna focus on that. So you can spray this on damp or dry hair to protect your hair from heat and atmosphere. I don't think I'm gonna be protecting it until this like calms down a little bit. It smells clean and fresh, so that's really good. The last thing, aside from a bunch of shredded paper, in our box is this Kula Sport Classic Sunscreen. Now this did come in my box like this. It's open, y'all. But when I took it out to see, and this retails for $32. They said this right here. I mean, this is 1.7 ounces for $32. I'm not sure. I feel like this might be a travel size, and maybe the full size retails for $32. I don't know. It does still have a safety seal on it, so I'm not too worried about the box being open. It probably just got squished in the shipping process. So all in all, my very first FabFitFun box. I'm not sure. I'm indifferent. I may hang around for one more. This one was enticing because I was thinking about getting this anyway, and the whole box cost less than this did. This is $89, by the way. I don't think I said that. So, you know, between this and the Tarte palette, I was like, well, I can try it because I'm going to buy both of those products anyway. I'm still on the fence. I'm going to try out some of these products. I'll give you guys an update later on in the month. probably right before I go on vacation at the end of this month. So I'll give you an update and let you know kind of, did I decide to keep the subscription or did I decide to cancel it? So let me know, do you have this subscription box? Is it something that you've kept for a while? Would you be interested in getting this subscription box? And I think, you know, that's it for the day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I know I keep forgetting to warn you guys or ask you to do it at the beginning of the video, but go ahead and show some love. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment below, and y'all, it's been a long day. Leave me a comment below and tell me what your favorite product in this box was. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye.